Let's understand what Azure Resource Logs are in this video. Azure Resource Logs are a feature in Azure that helps prevent accidental changes or deletions of your critical resources. Think of them as safety latches that you can apply to individual resources, resource groups, or entire subscriptions to ensure that no one, not even administrators, can modify or delete them without deliberate action. There are two types of logs you can apply. They are read only and delete. Read only logs prevents anyone from deleting the resource. You can still read the resource and use the resource, but modifications are restricted. Delete log restricts all action except viewing the resource. No modifications or deletions are allowed. Why use Azure Resource Logs? Let's unpack some reasons. Mistakes happen, and sometimes people delete or modify the wrong resource. Logs will ensure critical resources are protected. You can prevent changes to Azure resources during a critical period such as deployment or migration. Logs will keep things as they are until it's safe to modify them. When resources must remain consistent for compliance reasons, logs can enforce immutability. Accidentally deleting a critical database or VM can result in downtime and unexpected recovery costs. Log will save you from this hassle. And in large teams, misunderstanding or miscommunication can lead to accidental changes. Logs will ensure one team's mistake doesn't disrupt others. Use cases could be something like protecting a production database or preserve resource group during deployment. You can apply a cannot delete log on your production database to ensure it can't be deleted during a routine maintenance or cleanup scripts. Or you can place a read-only log on a resource group containing application resources during a major deployment to avoid unintended changes. A note of caution though, logs are powerful but not foolproof. Users with appropriate permissions can still remove the log if they know what they are doing. You can use logs as part of a broader governance strategy alongside RBAC and Azure policies. Think of Azure Resource Logs as a simple but effective layer of protection, just like seatbelts for your Azure resources.